nobody else around me. Just need you right here.